Guys, today I'm gonna show you not yo-yo tricks you can make with the yo-yo, a homemade yo-yo. You can also go to the front, side, other side, or even a high attack. And it is always also a good thing to make it lock into place. Yeah. So, and you can do this, and then like this, and then you can attack, and then you can attack like this, or as you can see, like this. Quick attack, quick and easy attack with the yo-yo, or the homemade one, with the bottle caps. Now we're gonna do look at this. If I take it and I throw it around the pole, wait, if I throw it around the pole, right, and I throw it right, then it should be able to make like that. Okay, I see our time is almost finished. So bye guys. See you next time. Bye.